protein systems are there.
The leaders of the Hill State People's Democratic Party today felicitated the volunteer of the Hill State movement. Speaking with media persons, President of the Hspdp, KP Panyang, said Arister Kos Basayamoit was the leader of the volunteers of the Hill State movement and was also put in jail in Guwahati for almost a month. He was also the founding General Secretary of the party. Meanwhile, Basayamoit urged the leaders of the Hspdp not to divert the ideology of the leaders in the past and rather continue with it in the future as well.
We need to meet him and to express our gratefulness as one of the tallest leaders during those Hill State movement. We are so happy to meet him that he has given us some important reminder that as the party we need to move forward. And we should not forget all the important issues raised by this party from time to time.
The chief executive member of Khasi Hills